Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can change your profile picture on Epic Games. So let's start. First of all, let me go to Google Chrome and log into my Epic Games account. As you log into your Epic Games account, you can see that there is no profile picture on my profile icon. As I go to account settings by clicking on this account, there are various options to change your name, email address, language, country or region details and so on. However, there is no any specific option to add a profile picture or change it. That is because the Epic Games platform does not have a feature to display a profile picture. So regardless of how long you search for it or wherever you search it, you won't find an option to change your profile picture since the feature itself is not available. So in conclusion, you cannot add or change your profile picture because the developers have not added the feature to use profile picture. I hope this video helped clearing your confusions. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.